Hi everyone, my name is Adeyemi Ogunaiki, and in today's video we're going to talk about Next.js. Next.js is the React framework. React in itself is a library of Next.js. Next.js is used to build or create high quality optimized web application. It is so big, it's so much of a big deal that big companies, big tech companies make use of Next.js, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. And one of them is Spotify. Spotify actually makes use of Next.js to build their web application. Nike also makes use of Next.js to build the application. Washington Post makes use of Next.js to build the application. GitHub makes use of Next.js to build the application. So there are so many, and there are so many more that actually make use of Next.js to build their web application. So let's jump right into it. So what you just need to do is to open your VS Code. Once you open your VS Code, you know, you have to locate the file path that you want um you want to put your application into. So I've actually opened my terminal already. So this is the file path I want to um, build my application. So the next thing I'm going to do now is that we are going to go to nextjs.org. So you can see this is their documentation site. Go to nextjs.org, then you can see something like this: npx create next app. So this is how you begin. This is how you officially begin on creating that super amazing web application that you had in mind. So just click on this copy icon, right? So just click on this copy icon. So once you click on it, um, paste it right there, and it loads. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. So the prompt is now asking me, what is your project named? So, and that's giving us a guide on how to write it. So I'll write mine as, sorry, I put that as capital letter. I'll write mine as maybe my YouTube tutorial, something like that, right? Maybe my YouTube tutorial application. It could be any application. It could be any web app. So this is what I'm naming my project as. So the prompt asks me whether it is TypeScript or not. So if I want to go to the route of JavaScript, I'm going to click on no. If I want to go to the route of TypeScript, I'm going to click yes. So I want to go to the route of TypeScript. So it asks me whether I want to use SLint and the rest. I'm going to make use of SLint. It asks me whether I want to make use of Tailwind CSS. I'm going to make use of Tailwind. So otherwise, if it is just the vanilla pure CSS, I will just select no. But it's Tailwind CSS I want to make use of. So click on yes. It asks me whether I want source directory. Yeah, I want that. It asks me whether I want the app router. I want that. It asks me whether I want the turbo pack. Not necessarily, but even if you pick yes, I don't think it's really much of a big deal. But selecting no. So selecting no. And I think that there we have it. Yeah, so it's loading. So we're about creating our application already. We're about starting. We're about you know creating this super amazing application that you have in mind already. So this is how it actually starts. You know, they say every dream begins with a step. So this is the first step in making that your dream come to reality by creating by opening up a project on Next.js that you had in mind. So it's currently creating our application. It's currently loading. As you can see, it's currently loading the web application. So it's currently loading. It's currently loading. Also, make sure your internet is on as well. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. So it's currently loading. Sometimes it's going to take a while So you just have to be patient. Just have to be patient while it's bringing everything together. While it's bringing everything together. So this is Next.js. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's still loading. Still loading. Still loading. Still loading. So you just have to be patient. So these are the dev dependencies is installing for me. TypeScript, which I wanted. Node, make sure you install Node, right? Make sure you install Node. React, because Next.js is actually part of React, since it's the framework of React. So definitely it's going to install some React dependencies. Tailwind CSS, because that's what I want to make use of. If you want Bootstrap, if you want other ones, you could easily just click on no. Xlinks, no, and other dependencies that it is going to download for me. So that's just pretty much it till it finishes downloading, right? Um, so by the time it's finished loading, your application is going to be open. Application is going to be open. So the purpose of this video was just to introduce you to how you can create your first web app, your first Next.js web application, right? Your first Next.js web application. So this is what it's going to do. This is how to do it. So probably we are confused on how to create the first your first Next.js web application. This is the first step one is going to take, and this is the step that I have introduced you to. So this is how it's going to be. It's taking a lot of time, but that's really pretty much it. It's There's really nothing much I'm going to do after this, after it finished loading. So thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found value in watching this video, click on the like button. If you like this video, click on the like button. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe to my channel so that you would see more subsequent videos I'm going to drop. I'm going to drop more subsequent videos on Next.js as from now on. So hit the like button to know more, to check more, to see more, and subscribe to my channel to get notified that I have dropped another Next.js tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.